UAVs have become an increasingly growing industry due to their wide application of uses. They can be used in search and rescue, film and TV, as well as surveillance of structures. The mission was to survey and collect high-resolution images of the first 500 metres of the underside of the Ted Smout Memorial Bridge. There are many different UAVs that can be used for surveillance. Not only is using drones much quicker and efficient than manual surveillance, but is also safer for the surveyor. The diagram shows the overall ConOps of the mission, as well as the flight path of the drone. The UAV will be launched from Decker Park. It will fly out to the end of the 500 metre section and, using an upward-facing camera, fly underneath the bridge in a snake pattern, taking high-resolution photos back towards the south side. If the battery is close to being flat during the flight, the UAV will fly back to the start location, land, the battery switched over, and the mission continued from where it left off. Once the underside of the bridge has been surveyed, the UAV will land safely back in Decker Park. The UAV that will be used for the mission is a quadcopter, which weighs just over 3 kilograms. It has a flight time of 25 minutes and houses a wide-angle action camera facing upwards to cover the largest amount of area of the underside of the bridge. The drone also has sensors on all sides so that it does not run into the columns. Various tests were carried out on the UAV system to make sure they complied with regulations. The types of tests carried out included testing the battery, making sure the frame was strong enough to withstand the forces, and the overall test of the system to make sure all parts configured together. The two main types of hazards that the UAV could face was ground collision and mid-air collision. Preventative barriers such as early warning systems, mid-air collision avoidance, and spotters, as well as mitigative barriers such as flotation devices and fireproof battery containers, can reduce or nullify the significant effects of these hazards.